Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact Google Play balance in the Play Store app so you know what you can move. Sign in to the correct Google account and check the payment profile country because rules differ by country. Prepare your payout method now, for example, a linked PayPal or bank account, since you will need account details. Once done, make sure you have any required ID or tax forms ready to speed verification before attempting an actual withdrawal. You next initiate the transfer through Google Payments or Play Store Help. Locate the withdraw or refund option for your balance. Choose the specific amount to move and enter the payout destination details accurately, because incorrect info delays transfers. Provide required verification documents when prompted. For U.S. residents, that may include Form 1099 information, and accept any fees or processing times. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation. Note estimated arrival time and transaction ID for tracking. You finish by monitoring the transfer status in payments or email notifications so you know when funds land. Confirm the deposit in your bank or PayPal and compare the net amount after deductions. Keep the transaction ID to reconcile any fees. If the transfer fails, retry with corrected payout details or temporary holds removed, and contact Google support if it still stalls. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification is the blocker, upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.